Penguin killer. I just saw it drop.
Oh, it didn't drop yet.
No, I saw the penguin drop.
The penguin drop?
The penguin drop.
What's that mean?
I took automotive stuff, and every time we were doing AC stuff, then you let some of the refrigerant go. They're like, oh, you just killed the penguin.
Yeah, because the global warming. I got it. Yeah, I did let a penguin drop. Yep, I do that frequently.
Yeah.
Good thing the EPA allows necessary losses, right?
You're right.
Awfully young.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing? I guess it depends on if we get ice, right?
Yeah, exactly.
There's a bad fan switch. That was the high limit, is tripping 420 psi on the high side. This is a QI100 4A3 ice machine. And the fan came on once. That line is hot. This is the switch we're talking about, so we're gonna have to replace that. And we'll start by recovering the refrigerant, I guess. We're gonna just unbraze this from right here. It'll pop that out. As long as it's not, we know it's not that thing because we saw the pressures. Should be pretty simple. So you can see our pressure, high side pressure is now not going up to 400 psi, which is good, because our fan is running, because our fan switch is actually bringing on the fan like it's supposed to. So we got this one solved. I'll just wait for it to make a batch of ice. Switch into harvest. So we're going to close this valve. That'll cut our losses, because when it opens the hot gas valve, we want it to, when it opens the hot gas valve, we don't want a whole bunch of pressure to come back in this hose. We'll have to wait till the next cycle to take it off. You can hear the cracking in the hot gas valve is not energized yet. Just give it a little bit of time here. We can now see it is in a harvest. You would not want to open this door because that's a sensor down there. That would switch it back into a freeze cycle, because this sheet of ice is going to push the door out and then let it step back in. And after that momentary open and close, it goes back into a freeze cycle. This light will turn off briefly, I think, for the curtain. That water dripping off is melting from the heat exchanger, or the evaporator warming up. Turn off the camera and like the next moment to drop the ice, but looks good. Probably gonna dump some hot water in here to melt this ice out so they don't use it and they can use the next batch.